Hey guys, Strange RV Tours here, Janet the mechanic. Another little project, some maintenance on the RV. So let me show you what we're going to do today. Alright guys, this is what I have planned today. These vents up here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and they're getting harder and harder to put up. And I'm concerned that the seals are getting really dry, so I'm going to get up there and spray them with some conditioner that will also help the gears and help it open easier, hopefully, because I'm afraid that they might get stuck and try to break or whatever. And the seals don't look too bad on this one, but I'm going to have Greg come in and help me, because what I got going on here is, you know those little pillows that you buy for your cover your vents? Well, we bought one just to see. They're really expensive, and it still has the plastic on it. I put an old t-shirt, see, it's got a hole in the t-shirt, to put around it so that when I do spray, it won't go all over my bed and my carpet and my kitchen, whatever, the bathroom. So I'm going to shove these up in there like that. There we go. You can't even see. There, I'll turn the light on. There, like that. And then when I get done with one, I'll holler down at Greg and say, next. So we'll do my bedroom first, then the bathroom, then the kitchen and the living room. All right? So I gotta crawl up there with some rags and the spray and see if it helps. Hopefully we can keep from buying new seals or new vent covers or whatever. Okay guys, so you can see I've got all 4 vents open and ready to go. And I got some this house lubricator. It's supposed to be good for gaskets and you name it, actually. So it's a petroleum base. So I brought a rag. I can kind of wipe it off first. Yeah. Okay. That's not too bad. And let's see how this sprays. Oh yeah, good. It sprays pretty streamlined. So, see, this is what I'm worried about. These keep on kind of get hung up. So, yeah, see, I would have sprayed my bed right then. So, maybe that'll help clean them up some. Yeah, they feel pretty dry. Might as well do the top too, because it's got dirt all in it. Gentle, gentle. Everything up here is old and brittle. Okay. A little more over here. The corners. Oop. There you go. Yeah. That's good. Okay, now I'm going to yell down to Greg and tell him to move it to the next one. Okay, Greg, move it to the next one, the bathroom. See? There we go. Is there a lot of grease on it? Okay. Let's go to the next one. See, this one's got the fan motor. See, I'm wondering. So, clean that one off. Huh. Yeah. See how that goes. Yeah, try to get those little blades cleared off a little bit. Gentle, gentle. Connectors look fine. The wiring looks fine. It looks dusty. Need a little brush, huh? Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this over the motor so I don't spray any of this. There you go. It's a little more dry over here. Let's see how that does. We haven't had any leaks through these so far. So far, so good. Let's see. Spray in here. I'm hoping this will help them go up and down a little easier. Yeah, this real quick. Yeah, a little dusty, not too bad. I guess. I don't know what. This little fan actually rubs on the screen. And I don't know if it's just not set high enough or what, but we don't use it because it makes a racket. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Well, it's pretty stained. See? Okay. Alright, let me tell him. Alright, let me tell him next. Alright, next, Greg. Yeah, this one's even worse, see? Be careful with that. Get some new seals. Yeah. Hey, can't see nothing. Thank you. Here, I can dust it off. Yeah. This one's not near as dusty, but still. Hopefully, we won't have to be hunting down parts. Yeah, that looks pretty rough there. Yeah, that right there. Ooh. Not a good sign right there. Yeah, I'm gonna be real careful with that. Yeah, that one too. Right there. Well, I guess we'll have to be hitting RV parks somewhere eventually. A little something in there. A bug. Okay, next one. Yay. All right. Ooh. Yeah, this whole corner here. There's some stuff in here. A little bit. There's Max. Woo, woo. Yeah, this one's even missing the other top layer. It hasn't been leaking. Crud. I might as well, if I buy one, I might as well buy all of them. Do them all at once, huh? Yeah, this is the worst one. Oh man. Okay. Let's see. It's just falling apart. That's probably part of it. Yeah. Dang. Okay. All right, I'll go back down. Okay. Ooh, there's a bug in there. I'll go back down and close them, see if they close any easier. Hopefully. But another thing to purchase. I need to get 4 of those. Oh, one time we were underneath a bunch of pine trees. Thank goodness I went up and looked at the roof before we left, because it was just loaded. I mean, loaded with pine needles and pine cones. And if I were driving, I drive behind Greg in the car, and it would have hit, I'm sure those pine cones would have just beat on my car. I'm sure of it. So, yeah, if you're in a wooded area, think about that. Check your roof. Okay, here's that last one I did. Let's see if it turns any easier. Oh yeah, not like jumping and bouncing. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, that's good. Go ahead and do the next one. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. I can barely reach these things. Oh yeah, see how smooth that is now? It was like that. And that one. Yeah. I'll tell you about this fan. Look, see what I mean? Watch. Watch. That's loud. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Last one. Here we go. See, I gotta stand up on the bed. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's much easier. Oh, yeah. See? Yeah, it's a lot better. All right, cool. All right, guys. It's Janet saying so long. Anyway, did the lubricating the seals around the air vents, the force vents in the RV. Nothing is leaking so far. So anyway, if you like what I did, hit like. If you like what we do, all the different things we do, subscribe. And then if you hit the bell, you get notifications. And also, if you could, share. More people see what we do and like what we do and all that, the better it is. All right, thanks.